If you've ever hesitated to share your phone number on WhatsApp, you're not a lone burr that is about to change now. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. Despite its reputation as a private messenger, WhatsApp's biggest privacy flaw was in order to connect with others, you have to give out your phone number. That opens the door for spam, unwanted messages, and privacy headaches. But now WhatsApp's long-awaited game changer is here, and it's called usernames. Instead of handing out your phone number to strangers, soon you'll be able to choose a unique username to share. Think of it as your personalized WhatsApp handle. The best part is WhatsApp is you can reserve your preferred username even before the official launch, so you can get the name you want before anyone else does. This feature has been quietly present behind the scenes with leaks from Weibo showing the username reservation process in action in the latest WhatsApp beta for Android. The goal is to give users a smooth experience from the very start. While it's not widely available yet, it's clearly around the corner and users in the WhatsApp beta testing program can already take a peek. But how will it work? Early hints point to a new username section on your WhatsApp profile where you'll pick a unique name that meets some simple rules like no web elements like www.com, at least one letter, and no duplicates from your contacts. Plus, there's an extra layer of security called username key code that first-time contacts must enter before messaging you, cutting down on spam and unwanted texts. So WhatsApp is all set to give you a smarter, safer way to connect without handing out your phone number. Are you waiting for this feature? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.